Jai Hind class, welcome in live of computer class. Students, previous class we have started the chapter animated to login, animate to CC. Here we have discussed the few points. Today some review of this whatever we have done previous class. The students, just let us see everyone. I am just going to share this PDF file. This is the logon to animate CC. What is animate? We have already previous class we have done. It is a software package that allows to a user to create interactive animations. This animate, what we can do, we can combine image, audio, video and other effect. Okay. Now how to start? We have told you the how to start, and also we have done with practically. Okay. Maybe everyone now you have installed this app, this software from software window, or you have downloaded. Now the animate workspace. Students, today we have already opened. Look here, I have already opened because taking too much time. So we have already opened this one. There are options says here animate action script 3.0. You have seen there when you open. Now create options. Yes students, this option has come. This is the, you know that animate workspace, in which menu bar, the stage, menu bar. This one is the menu bar. Edit, file, view, insert, modify, text. These are menu bar. Here given the stage. Now we have already taken this stage. This is the workplace where we will draw. Clear students? Now next one, the tools properties or properties panel. You can see here. This is menu bar, library, tools panel, properties panel. These all options are given, and timeline also. Here you can see with practically we have told these all are tools panel. Okay. This is the properties. If anyone we have selected, so this is a property, this one is library. Clear? And if you want to join the timeline, you can. Okay. Now timeline is joined. Clear students? Now next one is students, rectangle tool. From drawing tool we have to draw the rectangle tool. How we will do, students? Previous class we have done this. Clear? So from rectangle tool, see here. Okay, we have told, and if you want to something different color, if you want to change, now we have taken this color. Okay, this way. Students, here joint form, this is the square. Okay, this square we are getting. How we will identify something? There is the, now students, we are just removing this one. Okay, now when we will draw it, yes students, you can see there are two options. This one is yellow, this is for and this is one for green. This is a fill color. Okay, we are just doing this form is white, then you can identify. Yes. Okay, this is color. If you want to color fill the color, this one, this way. So you have done, students. I think everyone done. Today we will start a new topic, that is the Polystar tool. Polystar tool, what we can do with the Polystar tool, students? Your option is given. This tool is used to draw polygons or stars, and Polystar tool we are getting. This is the Polystar tool, student. You selected now. This is polystar tool. Next one. In the property inspector, click on the options button under tool settings option. We will get tool setting dialog box. Click on the drop down list of style options and select the star style. Now enter the value of that range from 3 to 32. The number of sides text box. Okay, we will clear it. Okay, students. Wait. First of all, we just open. Wait, students. Students, here the we want new file, students. So I'm opening the okay. This is from okay, and yes, okay, there are two in this file we are getting the all the all the exercises. So see everyone, all the terms they are given. This is the now that option is given this stars. For the star point size, enter the number of between 0 and 1. Specify the depth of the star point. Okay, so everyone have a book. So now I'm telling everyone see on a book and with the practical what I'm doing. First of all, we will change this color. Okay, students. Now we have taken polystar tool. Yes, this is showing. Students, you can see these options is given like this. This is fill now. Okay, this way. This is should be point size. Now, students, is okay. Their options is given. Number of sides 3. Here you have read here, students. 3 to 32. The range is. We start from 3. Students, start from 3. We can till 32 we can do. The star polygon. First I'm telling you. This is the polygon. The shape of the polygon, students. Clear? From file you can create a new also. Yes, create option. Next, you can see untitled. There we have already used. So untitled 4, untitled 5. Also file if you want to do many things. If you want to many topics you want to discuss, so you can open now. Clear? So untitled 4, what we have told. Again I'm telling students. Now this is point size. Click on the polystar tool. Now go on the options here. Polygon we have discussed. 3 of this is by default side, and the star point size we can increase here. 0 to 1 there is given. So when we draw it, this is 3 side. If you will change from 3 to, suppose we have done 5. Okay. Now you can see students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Same way we increase 10. Then what happened? Now this way. One more thing we can do. We can also star point size. They have 0.5 given here. 1.00. We have done. Now okay. Okay, till this is point size will be increased. If you want to increase more options, select here 5, 6, 10, whatever. Suppose 10 we have done, it is more and more. Okay, like that. So students, now you have clear this much. This is polygon form. So in polygon, if say this, two things are given because this is a filling. This was stroke color and this was the fill color. Clear students? If you are increasing, the stroke color will be increased, and your fill color will be reduced. So this way we are getting. Untitled 5 we will discuss students. It's next part. Star tool. So star tool, how we can make? Look, see this. First of all, removing all the things whatever we have done. By default we are doing all the things 3. Okay, 3, and here what we have done 0.05. Okay, by default we have done all the things. See now, this is the same because this is the fill color or this one is stroke color. So stroke color is very thin. We can say very short because only this color is showing, because this is already white, so cannot show this is stroke color. So we should change the color of this one now. Okay students, if little bit stroke color will be increased this way because this is overlapped the green color, so we cannot, we're not able to see very little bit. So we can increase the options of it. 3 is given, so what we can do 10 suppose, and here this point 1.00. Okay students, look, this way we will get. So this all are the, we are studying about the applications form, how what we can do. You can use normal, horizontal, vertical, none. Okay, here you can change the lines of this one. Styles you can change that all are lines. Suppose this line you are creating by this way, this very zigzag movement. Okay, and if you are changing other things, see here this way. So whatever style you will change, that style you will get. Very thin, say this. Okay, so this way you will get. So now Untitled 4 we have learned about the polygon. Untitled 5, this is the star. By option you can increase the number of sides. Okay, and here star point of size also you can increase students. Clear? So students, we can see here now the shortcut of the there is given. These all are the we have discussed. Star tool. Okay, now we just talk about the line tool, how we will use the line tool. So line tool is given, the line tool that works exactly the same way as the line tool in the graphics software. We can use the line tool to draw straight lines. Yes students, of course we are line tool, that is we can draw the straight lines. So if you want to draw the straight line, you have to use the line tool. This is a symbol of this line tool, this one. There is given line tool option. I am showing with this app, this software. See this is the line tool students. Line tool. Next one is given. We can use the line tool to draw straight lines. Click on the line tool. In the properties spectre, select the stroke color, line thickness, line style, or width profile. Stroke color, line thickness, and line style. Students, you can see here. This is one is first is selected line tool. Then after that, this is stroke color. This is style. You can see students here what's saying. Here stroke color, line thickness, and line style, or width profile as needed. Move the pointer to the stage, click and drag it in the direction where you want to draw a line. Release the mouse button, then you will get a line on the stage. So students, here we can see now we have selected line tool. Style, we stroke something, increase. Style, there are many styles are given. Width is also given. Okay. So first of all, we draw a line. This now we have draw a line. This way only, very straight line. What happened now? See this. If doing some little bit difference, so all the line we are getting very straight. If your stroke color will be increased, so there it will be increased. Style if you will change, dotted line. So what happened? This is dotted, not showing dotted line. Why? Because it's too thick. Now if you will do now, see here. Okay, little bit. Yes, clear students. If you are taking the many more stroke, so we will get it. Clear students. Now this one is students completed. Clear? What things are given now? We have done this. Saying that now move the pointer to the stage, click and drag it on the direction where you want to draw a line. Release the mouse button, you will get a line on the stage. Same thing we have done, students. Clear? Now I am taking the file new options. Okay, students. Now what's saying, students? Curving. You can turn a straight line into a curve with a selection tool. Selection tool there is given. With the selection tool we can curve the line. We can do curve a line. So how we will do, students? CV1. Yes, students, here first of all draw a line. Suppose the dotted line we have drawn. Now this is selection tool. Okay, clear? We can move like that. Clear? If you have here is the line tool. This one is okay, students. Look, you can move like that. Okay, students. Again, I am removing this one. Whatever we have done, CV1 again. Line tool. Let's change this one, straight line. Yes. Now by selection tool. Okay, students. Now if you want to curve line, okay, it's not highlighted, that's why. See this. In book there is given like this. You can see, students, there is given a start point and ending point. When moving curving, the start point and ending point like this. Clear, students? So again I am doing same thing. Maybe first of all, what we have to do? Select the line tool. This is line tool. Draw the line tool. This one is the start point. This one is the ending point. Clear, students? Now what we have to do, students? Selection tool. Okay, this way or that way. If whatever the pointer, you can see their curve also coming. So if curve will come, then you can curve. If simple moving, like Yashwant, this is curve is coming, then it can curve. You can see in the mouse pointer, the curve line is back, so that we can move here and there. That's possible then. Otherwise, it is not possible, Yashwant. Clear? So now next one. Now I am taking the file new option. Clear? Now create options. Click on here. Yes, new file we have taken. Issuance. Now next one. Issuance next point is given. This is the laser tool is given, but there one page. You can see issuance from your book, the page number 74 issuance. There discuss about the pen tool. Okay, we will send you in your document. See, the first of all, use the pen tool. This is the pen tool, issuance. Okay, first of all, we will discuss the pen tool. In pen tool, what we can do, issuance, you can see on your book. The page number is given, issuance. Page number 74 there is given. Suppose there is given, select the pen tool by this way. Issuance here, this is the starting point, this is ending point. When you click, double click of here, it will be hold. Next one. Now hold. Wait. Yes, this is the A and B, suppose. This is A, this one is B point. This is given in your book. Next. It should be here. Now next here, if you click here, yes, it is joined. This is third point. Clear? Wait, I am telling again, beta. Select the pen tool. Start from here. Okay. This is already selected, that is why coming. Okay, students, now double click here. Yes. Next one is, we will just one draw from this point. So here we are going. Now click on here, it will automatically join it. Okay. So this way we can draw we can use the pen tool. Okay. Okay, its option we will discuss here. Stroke, style, width, this is normal, okay, round, we are not double click here, no, that's why it's coming. Okay, clear? This way you can do. So this is the pen tool. Now we will discuss issuance. Next one is given pencil tool. In pencil tool we will take the new options. Only I am telling you applications of this one. After all the applications, when you have understood, then issuance and issuance, this whatever we are telling, this is pencil tool, pen tool, brush tool, like a line tool, polystar tool. First we understood its application. After that we will combine it. Then we will tell the what the process, what the function of the in the combined form. Now issuance, everyone done whatever we have told today. you have to practice with your practical, and its PDF we will send in your document, you will find there. Clear students? Also you have a book, and from next class we will give you worksheet. Clear students? So now I am leaving class students. Jai Hind class. Thank you.